In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed Google Forms in your WordPress website. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Forms. Sign in if needed, then locate the form you want to place on your WordPress site. Open that form so you are viewing it in the editor. It is important that you are on the correct form before you generate the embed code, because the code you copy will only display that specific form. Next, look to the top right corner of the Google Forms page. You will see a menu icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with more options for your form. From that drop-down, choose the option for Embed HTML. This opens a window that gives you an iframe code snippet. This is the exact piece of code that WordPress can use to display your form directly on a page or post, so visitors can fill it out without leaving your site. Before you copy anything, take a moment to adjust the size. In the Embed window, you will see width and height values measured in pixels. These control how wide the form appears and how tall the embedded area will be. Set the width and height to match your website layout. As a general guideline, a width around 640 pixels often fits well inside many blog post content areas, but you can increase it for wider themes or reduce it for narrow layouts. For height, choose a value that prevents the form from feeling cramped. If the form is long, a taller height helps visitors scroll less within the embed box. Once the size looks right, go to the bottom right of the embed window and click Copy. This copies the full HTML embed code to your clipboard. Now you are ready to place it on your WordPress website. Open the page or post where you want the form to appear, and paste in the embed code. Make sure you paste it into a part of the editor that accepts HTML, such as a custom HTML area, so the code displays the form instead of showing the text of the code itself. Save or update your page, then view it to confirm the form appears at the correct size. And that covers everything you need to know.